Hey filmmaker, Chung Dha here. In this video, we're going to show you how to do a handwriting animation inside of Davinci Resolve. So here we go. So first we need to have a text. We go to Effects Library, go to Toolbox, Titles, and here we have text. Drag this onto your timeline, and we are going to write a different title here. So let's do writing and change this to like something that's more like a written something. Let's use chalk duster. That looks fine. And now we are going to right mouse click on here and make this into a new compound clip, and then press create. Now we go into Fusion, and now that we are in Fusion, we have here a media in and a media out. We go to tools and we are going to mask, and we are going to use mask paint. Drag this onto our nodes and connect the mask paint to the media in. So now you see there's nothing here, so we need to actually go into the mask paint and do a few adjustments. So the stroke duration, we're actually going to drag it out to 30 seconds, and we are going to invert it for now. And now we can go back to here, and we're going to use this brush, and we're going to brush our animation. So make sure we are on the right timeline here. So actually move the timeline all the way to one side, so that we're at the beginning here. And we are going to draw and paint in what we want. So because we are inverted, we are basically removing parts, and it would be basically be kind of backwards. So it would add parts in reality. So we are going to paint here this first part here. So make sure paint in away this first section, and then use our keyboard to the right to go to the next frame, and then paint away a little bit more, and to the right and paint away a bit more, another frame. So we just keep on doing this. Every frame we just remove a section. So and now if we are going to play this, we can see it's removing sections. But if we go back to here, instead of invert, we can see now that we are writing instead of that we are removing things. So that is pretty much it. So let's go to the correct frame. So there. And we just keep on removing sections and go to the next frame until that we have the entire thing removed. And quite a lot of manual labor, of course, but yeah, this gives us the best result. Okay. And that was it. Turn off invert, and now when we play this, I have this fully self-writing text. So that was mainly it, how to do a handwriting animation inside of Davinci Resolve. It was really quick and easy. And if you guys want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below, and also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye.